In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert a line in Google Sheets. This skill is essential for organizing your data more effectively, so let's dive right in. To start, open your Google Sheets document where you want to insert the line. Once your document is open and ready, take a moment to locate the specific place where you need that line to appear. This could be between two existing rows or perhaps at the very top or bottom of your sheet, depending on your particular needs. It's important to have a clear idea of where the line needs to go, as this will ensure your data remains organized and easily navigable. Next, take your mouse and hover over the row number on the left-hand side where you want the new line to appear. Once you've found the correct row, right-click on the number itself. Doing this will open up a menu with several options. Don't worry if this seems like a lot. We're just focusing on one specific choice for now. From this menu, you'll want to select Insert one row above or Insert one row below. The choice between above or below depends on whether you want the new line to be above or beneath the row you've selected. For instance, if you want to add space for a new entry, you might prefer the Insert one row below option. Select your option and click on it. You should now see a new, blank line appear exactly where you specified. This step is crucial for maintaining the order and clarity of your data, so double-check that the line is inserted right where you want it. If you made a mistake, you can always quickly hit undo or try the step again to get it just right. As a tip, remember that you can repeat this process as many times as necessary, depending on how many new lines you want to add. It's a quick and efficient way to make room for additional data without disrupting the rest of your sheet. If you're working with a large set of data and need to insert multiple rows at once, you can easily do that too. Simply highlight the same number of rows you want to add, right-click, and follow the same steps. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new line in your Google Sheets document. This simple yet powerful technique can help you keep your data organized and your workflow smooth. We hope this guide has made it clear and easy to understand this useful feature in Google Sheets. Feel free to pause and replay any parts of this video to get the hang of it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.